Okay.
So here's Kalia. Part 2, she's putting the, what are you doing? You're putting the flour. You're eating an apple.
Okay. Now, what we do is going to do everything and that, and it's foaming. See that?
Oh yeah, it's foaming in there, okay?
Look at that under it. And you just get a spoon.
You have the yeast and the sugar and the water in there. Now you're going to add the what, flour?
We're going to add the flour. Do you think that's enough?
Put it all in.
Put it all in.
All in.
Don't sprinkle it around. Don't shake it really hard. Shake it softly. And then pat it when it's done.
That's a good way.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you're going to smear it.
Then you're going to stir it. It'll make a big ball in there. Good job, Kalia.
Make sure to make it look light brown, like yeast. I'm not very strong, but
Well, I can help you a little bit when you get tired there. She's doing a good job.
this time it's kind of warm feeling.
Oh, I got an apple. Okay, we're going to stop on this one and then we'll come back when it's in a ball, okay?